sky. Please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong?
Oh, dude! You just coughed all over me!
Worry, dude, it's fine. It's not a dry cough, so it's not contagious. It's fine.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, well,
Yeah, it's good.
well then.
Hello, my name is Commissioner Lane McStupidpants, and last night we had to come to the unfortunate decision that this year we cannot, in good conscience, hold the 2020 Grease Cough Olympics. And so, in solidarity with all the unfortunate athletes who will not be able to participate in these year's games, I will be taking off my pants. So, just give me 1 second while I take my pants off.
Mr. McStupidpants will not be taking any more questions. Thank you.
Thank you. Just get out of here. You guys can't see, but I'm not wearing any pants. All these damn doctors think they're so smart. Think they're the only ones who know how to test for coronavirus. Well, I'll show them who can test for coronavirus. Yeah, I'll show them who's able to test for coronavirus. Anyone can make a stupid swab that goes up someone's nose. See? Anyone can be a doctor. Anyone at all.
Hey, dude.
Yeah?
Can dogs get COVID-19?
Sir,
Yes.
I have your results.
Oh,
There's some good news and some bad news. The good news is you tested negative for the coronavirus.
oh, thank God, doctor.
The bad news is you have the friggy flu.
The friggy flu
Yes, the friggy flu.
from Rocket Power?
Yes, from the 90s Nicktoon, Rocket Power. Hey, do you have the coronavirus?
No?
Do you want it?
What?